Hello everyone, my name is Ksenia, I am from St. Petersburg, Russia. This summer I am going to visit the USA with the program Work and Travel. I am a fourth year student and this year will be the last chance to see America. 3 months in America will help me to acquainted with traditions of this country, to improve my English, to meet other interesting people and to spend an unforgettable summer. I can say for employer that I'm very responsible, polite, sociable, tolerant and punctual and diligent. Yeah. My interests are active outdoor games, listening to music, fitness, reading books and other. My skills are Microsoft Word and Excel and Internet. That's all, thanks.